Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming ownership and backing up data. This prevents lost posts or contact info. Open the Instagram app, log in, and go to your profile. Once done, tap the menu, 3 lines, then Settings and Account to access account type controls. Make sure your app is updated so options appear. If your account is connected to a Facebook page, note the page name. You will disconnect it in the next steps to remove business features. You now change the account type. In Account Settings, pick Switch Account Type and choose Personal Account or Creator depending on preference. Personal removes all business tools. If Instagram prompts about Facebook linking, disconnect the Facebook page first, tap Linked Accounts or Account Center, then remove the page. Once you switch, contact buttons and insights are removed. Make sure you exported any analytics. This step finalizes the loss of ad access and business tools, so confirm the choice when the app asks. Finalize by checking your profile. Contact buttons should be gone and Insights tab should disappear. If you still see business features, go to Account Center and remove any connected Facebook page or Business Manager entries. Make sure you sign out and back in so changes propagate. If options are missing or the switch fails, clear the app cache or reinstall and try again. Sometimes delays occur. If problems persist, wait a few hours, then repeat steps or access settings on the web for the same switch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.